Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Herkimer diamond necklace. So these are our pre-made stainless steel chain necklaces that we have. This one is the 16-inch length. We also have them in 18, 20, 24, multiple other different lengths. Or if you want them shorter, you can take out more of the length. These are Herkimer diamonds, which are going to go in the center. They're tourmalinated on either side, so double tourmalinated. And this is just a super simple minimalist necklace that's easy to make in just a few minutes. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is find the center of this chain. And then we're just going to cut that with our cutters. And I'm just going to make sure it is even. This style of chain is number SS03, but we have other styles of chain if this one doesn't speak to you. So that is in the center. So then I'm going to take my 20 gauge stainless steel wire, and I'm going to take my round nose pliers, and I'm going to go down not halfway, but a little before that. And then I'm going to bend the wire away from me so that it creates a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to go back and put my pliers at the top of that, and I'm just going to bend that wire around so that it makes a loop. And for this, because it's such a dainty necklace and I want it to be a minimalist necklace, I'm going to make that loop just as small as I can get it using the tip of my pliers. And then I'm going to string on my chain. And then I'm going to hold this right here with my pliers in the loop, and then I'm going to coil that back around a couple times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. I'm going to string on the Herkimer diamond. I think these are so neat. I love the shapes, and every one is unique. So then I'm going to put my pliers as close to the bead as I can get, and then I'm going to bend the wire at a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of that and bend it around. And again, I'm going to try and get that loop just as small as I can. And then I'm going to string on the other side of the chain. And then I'm going to hold that loop with my pliers, and I'm going to coil this back around. And I'm going to take my cutters and just cut that excess wire off. And that's it. You could also add more Herkimer diamonds in the middle if you'd like. Or you can just have one and keep it super minimalist like this. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Have a great day.